What is binary options trading? In today's video, I will explain what is binary options trading and how you can start binary options trading right now. According to Wikipedia, a binary option is a financial exotic option in which the payoff is either some fixed monetary amount or nothing at all. That means you need to predict the market price, whether the market price will go up or down in the next 60 seconds. There are many time frames in binary options trading: 60 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes, and so on. But 60 seconds trade is very popular because it gives you quick return. So let's see an example. You need to select a broker where you can place the trade. To select a broker, to create a broker, please visit the binarylogic.com/IQ option or simply check the description of this video to create a free trading account. There are many brokers out there, but I prefer IQ option because of its popularity and its reputation. So you need to predict the market price. You will place the trade here. You will wait for 60 seconds. If you can do correct prediction, you will get 80% return. If you do wrong prediction, you will get 0% return. That means you will lose money. So binary option trading is really risky. You need to trade what amount you can afford to lose. So how to create the correct prediction? To create the correct prediction, you need to know what is trading pattern. If you can understand trading pattern properly, then you can win every time when you place the trade. There are many trading patterns. You can check our YouTube channel to get trading patterns. You can also use some indicators from the broker to get an idea where the price can go. Will it go down or will it go up? That's all for today. This is all about binary options trading. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will give you more and more videos about binary options trading. It is really fun if you can start binary options trading with a proper money management, because it gives you profit, and it is also risky if you cannot predict the market price correctly. That's all. Have a great day. I will see you in another video.